look under here. Box to Froggy Plays. Is that the Dude Perfect logo? Box from Dude Perfect headquarters? Wow! That's pretty neat. Wait, merch no one has ever seen before? I'm really excited for this cart. So, let me open this real quick. Yeah, I have the thinnest hand ever. Let me get this nasty, crusty tape off me real quick, because that sucks. And let's take a peek at what's in there. Whoa, what is this? Never seen this before. It looks pretty cool. Whoa! These are so much prizes! There's keychains, there's a Pop Panda, there's Connect 4, there's a headband, there's a Panda pen, there's a air thing. This is really cool. There's even a golden keychain. I'll open that at the end of the video. So let's open this Panda pen real quick. Now, where is the open thing right here? Where is it? Come on. Where is it? I can't find it. Where is it? Come on. Hurry up. Okay. This looks cool. So you could get different colors if you press on the Panda pen. It goes away. That's pretty cool. Let me do that another time. That was super cool. Okay, we have the headband now. It has the Dude Perfect logo on it. It says Dude Perfect. Let me open this up. Wow, this feels super comfy. I could wear this to school all day and I would still be very chillaxed. This is so comfy. I love this. Okay, now this is supposed to be like a Vortex Air Rider. Yeah, this is what it is. So, let me open this real quick. Whoa, look at this. This is super cool. I wonder how this works. I'll do a demonstration right now. Now we have a Panda Pop. Now I don't know how this works, but I'll open it up and see how it works. So, I'm gonna have lots of trouble opening this right now. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure this is like a bullseye board. So these are the stuff you're supposed to throw the bullseye board at. There's a normal one and a Panda one. Let me throw. Now Rally Pong. Yeah, they just said it's like Connect 4. It said Connect 4 on it. So like, I wonder how I set up this. This is like way too confusing. Now the keychains, everyone. I'm super excited to open these keychains. So, there's a golden keychain. I'll open that at the end. So these are the options. Okay, let me open this one up right now. Wow, it's a panda playing tennis. That's super cool. It's yellow, it has a this gold one. This one's a guaranteed one. I'm so excited! Whoa! It's a night panda! This is so cool! That's so cool! I wonder how my friends will react when they see it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching Froggy Plays.